Good morning. I'm still waking up as I hit the trail. I think it's only supposed to be a 15-mile day. So that's nice. Hopefully I get to swim today and hopefully the bugs aren't bad. But I'm just gonna tune in to being out here. It's a short trip, like my permits are for 4 nights and 5 days. And yesterday when we planned it in the ranger station, it was like 25 miles, but then on Far Out / Gut Hook, it was only 22. So I want to kind of compare the maps again, because yeah, I'm just not sure. Like, there was a point where I felt like it was like so much longer than what the app said. So it's possible that the mileages are slightly off. The other thing I was thinking about is trying to do the last day as a 30-mile day. Just to push myself, like, some pretty water. Wow. Okay, so I'm getting up to, I believe, the South Mowich River. And apparently the footbridge is out, and it's pretty fast river and deep, so I'm gonna have to look for a good place to cross, and hopefully it's not too sketchy. Hopefully I'm safe. There's some people down there. Looks like they might have crossed up there. Guess I'll go ahead and go up there. So here's the river. Looks like some people came over on those logs. You can still kind of see them. And then it kind of looks like there's just some brainstorming happening, like where's the safest place going to be to cross. Thought it might be right here, but it looks like this might be pretty deep. I might try to go like right here and then over. So we'll see. So I made it over my first ford, or through my first ford back there. And now I'm in this like bramble of down trees, and I know people crossed on this log. I'll show you. But yeah, I just came down that. I had to jump. But yeah, here's the river's like shallow right here, and then gets crazy right here. So I need to, I think, cross this log, but that it's like pretty skinny, and like maybe I'll do the scoop method. I'm not really sure. I kind of feel like this is sketch. I could go up this log. It's easier to walk on, but when I get up there, then what, you know? So I'm just gonna try to scoot on this one. But yeah, it's like views of everything. It's pretty sketchy. I came from over there. That's where I did the deep water crossing. It came up to my legs. Oh my goodness, I made it. Just gotta cross a little bit more, but there's not rushing water underneath me now, so, except for behind me. Whew, okay, made it across South Mowich River all the way. And now I need to go find the trail because I had to go up trail or upstream to find the crossing. That definitely took like a good 30 minutes of the morning. Look at this huge slug. Wow. Compared to my poles, he's pretty massive. He's making his way across the trail. Hope he doesn't get squashed. Having a little break. It's only been like 5.5 miles, but just felt like I needed some time to rest, so sitting down for a few minutes. Getting into the Golden Lakes area. Pretty high now. I'm gonna have lunch once I get to the Golden Lakes camping area and hope that that lake is nice to swim in. It kind of looks like these golden lakes are more like murky lakes. So we'll see. Okay, so this is where I'm camping tonight, North Puyallup Camp. It's only 5 miles away. So, wow, it's 12. I'm going to eat lunch. Okay. Definitely not the lake I was hoping for. Kind of icky. But I think I'm going to sit over there in the shade. Definitely not the best water source, but it's not bad. And there's no water for another 5 miles, like until I'm at camp. So, thought it'd be smart to fill up here. Yeah, and actually on the side of the lake, the bugs aren't as bad, maybe. So I actually might take a break because I was thinking when I pulled up to the other side, I was like, too many bugs, gotta use the toilet and then just get water and hike on. But now I kind of think, maybe I can cook some lunch real quick and take like maybe an hour break or 45 minutes. Oh wow, it's already been 30 minutes since I've been here. What the heck? Everything takes forever. So maybe 30 minutes. Gave myself a little bit of a blood blister. A couple blood blisters when I tried to put my trekking pole into the ground and random. First views of Mount Rainier today. Wow. Really getting to the other side. Different perspective for sure. Whew, that view is a little better. Oh my goodness. Wow. So gorgeous. The bear grass is actually starting to bloom on this side a bit. Along with the wildflowers. This is very picturesque. Very pretty little section here. Sheesh. Look at how massive this tree is. It's like huge. Still hard to tell, but it's so big. So made it to the North Puyallup camp. I think mine is still 0.2 away because I think I have the group site, but I'm going to double check my permit. Whoa! Unexpected. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Whoa! Okay, Okay, so this is the group site, which is what even though I'm a solo person, what the permit's allowed. So probably gonna set my tent up right there. It's only 3:14. So, can you even see that? Yeah, 3:14. There's an amazing view, and then that huge waterfall's like right over there. So maybe I'll go hang out and journal over there. Yeah, maybe I'll go hang out and journal over there by the waterfall. But I'm not sure. So it's so early in the day to be done. Well, I found a little spot to sit and relax right next to this bridge. There is like another group of like 3. I saw them at the lake earlier. They're camping here tonight too. I didn't chat with them too much, but I think they're just doing an out and back. This is my dinner. I've just been journaling. I think I'm finally getting the hang of this tent setup. Looks pretty nice. I don't bother toggling out all the cords because I don't really need it. I still have plenty of room in there. So I'm gonna empty my bag and just get ready for bed. Well, I've definitely had a very relaxing evening. I just did a ton of journaling. I'm just kind of thinking about what's next this summer. Tomorrow is like 23-mile day and like constantly like up and down like every 2 miles. So we'll see how that goes. I'll pass through Longmire, so in about 20 miles I'll get to Longmire, which is like a little visitor center and like museum in Rainier National Park. So I'll get there in 20 miles and then I'll still have 3 miles to go after I get there. So I'm hoping to get there around like 3:30 or 4, which means I need to start even earlier tomorrow. So that way I can like, you know, buy some extra chips or I don't know, any random snacks. It's always nice to kind of like go through like a mini town on these like trips, on these 100-mile trips. So I'm looking forward to that tomorrow, but that means I'm probably like, I'm waking up at 5 and then not having hot breakfast, I don't think. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for day 2 on the Wonderland Trail. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. See ya.